How to automatically change the lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or any latest Samsung Galaxy device. By default, your Samsung phone shows the same lock screen wallpaper every time you press the power button or side button. But if you want the wallpaper to change automatically each time you wake up your phone, here's how you can do it. First, lock your Samsung device. Now, press and hold on an empty space on the lock screen. Tap on the wallpaper icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll enter the Wallpaper Settings section. Scroll down until you find Wallpaper Services. Tap on it. Now you'll see the Dynamic Lock Screen option. Tap the Settings gear icon next to it. Here, you can choose different wallpaper categories like landscapes, animals, art, nature, and more. Select the category you want to use on your lock screen. For this example, we'll choose Landscape Wallpapers. Once selected, the wallpapers will automatically be applied to your lock screen. Now lock your phone and press the side button or power button again. You'll notice that the lock screen wallpaper changes automatically each time. You can also use your own photos from the gallery. Open the Gallery app on your Samsung device. Select the photos you want to use for the lock screen wallpaper rotation. Tap the three-dot menu at the bottom, then select Set as Wallpaper. Choose Lock Screen and tap Done in the top right corner. Now every time you wake your phone, the lock screen wallpaper can automatically change between your selected photos. And that's how you can easily set up automatic lock screen wallpaper changes on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series or any other latest Samsung Galaxy device.